Hi, so this is a SmartBin X dustbin. So this dustbin uses many more boards and components such as Raspberry Pi 3 module, servo motors, Arduino Uno, TFT touchscreen LCD, ESP32 and one camera module. First, we are going to see the auto trash collection using computer vision. This was surprising that it automatically and precisely reached the bottle, but I was facing some problems with the robotic arm. Those were the servo motors. These servo motors are SG90 9-gram motors. They are less efficient and low power, and the 9-gram servo motors were not able to pick such a heavy bottle. So I made a thing. To reduce the weight of the bottle, I cutted some part of it and added two holes to the robotic arm's gripper so that it can hold the arm correctly and tightly. But still, the robotic arm was unsuccessful to pick the bottle and grab it. Then I thought of using another low weight bottle and see how it grabs the bottle and puts it in the dustbin. Then I tested the robotic arm by using some paper trash and plastic trash, whether it picks and throws it in the dustbin correctly or not. So successfully it throws all the three types of trash: the bottle, the plastic carry bag and the paper in the dustbin. So from this we come to know that our smart bin X can reach the trash automatically and grabs it and throws it in the dustbin. This was the very hard part of this project. The above is the camera preview done by the Raspberry Pi cam module. But wait, can you see this a LCD screen? That is a TFT LCD screen placed above the dustbin? This is a 3.5-inch ILI9486 TFT LCD plus touchscreen. It has many features. As you can see here, it has two eyes, from which we can conclude that SmartBin X is a robot. To see its features and options, you just need to slide your finger on it. And here you can see a new slide where you can select your dustbin, that is a plastic, and other one is of other basic trash. So by clicking it, you can see the trash level of the dustbin. So by continuing sliding your finger on it, you come to the next slide, that is total items collected. So in the next slide we can see lid status. From here you can see which lid is open and which is closed. Next we can see a improvement graph that shows how many trash it collected per day and per week. So these were some of the features of the TFT LCD screen and proves that it is useful in every smart dustbin. We can add many more example features and working features in it, such as the robotic arm status, etc. We can also see the readings of the SmartBin X through the browser, where the ESP32 streams its IP address over the browser. So these were some of the features of my SmartBin X dustbin, which can be implemented in modern dustbin. Making this project was not so easy, because here I have used 3 boards, that are Raspberry Pi, Arduino Uno and ESP32. The Raspberry Pi, ESP32 and Arduino Uno are connected to each other so that they can talk with each other independently and sharing the data. It almost took me 25 days to get the auto trash collection function work properly. And that's all my project. But it's a very interesting project. And this dustbin can also work locally without internet, so it can be also called as a edge AI project. This is a very cheap project and not much costly, and everyone can afford it.